Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Emily and I'm a professional face and body painter. So welcome to my channel. This is just a quick swatch video of the Fusion Body Art Leanne's Tropical Collection palette, which I've had this palette for ages and I use it all the time and I just think it's great, so I just wanted to show you the colour swatches. This palette retails for £25 and is available at the face painting shop, which is where I get a lot of my face paints. And all of the colours, apart from the blue and purple one in the middle, are UV activated. If you'd like to see me swatch more face paints, hit the like button so I know that you like this video, and also leave me a comment down below and let me know which your favourite shade is. Bye!